Do you want something free?
Do you want something free? We're going to go inside Meijer today, and we are not only going to get something for free, we're going to make some money on it. How's that sound, Carmen?
God! Welcome to Stop and Singer.
All right, so here I am inside Meijer today. I'm going to show you how you can grab 2 of these Love Beauty and Planet body washes for completely free, and you're going to make $4.52 on top of it. So let's see how we do this. Okay, so let me explain the deal to you real quick. Love Beauty and Planet body washes. You want to find them. They're in the body wash aisle. They're regularly priced $7.99. Now, you want to grab 2 of them for this deal because when you spend it's when you buy $10 worth, you're going to get $2 off, but when you buy 15, you're going to get a $4.50 Catalina back. That is one promotion that is going on for body wash. There's another promotion going on for the Love and Beauty. When you spend $15 in Love and Beauty, you're going to get a $5 Catalina, and so we're going to put that together for a really awesome deal. So what you're going to do is grab 2 of these Love Beauty and Planet body washes. Now, like I said, they're regularly priced $7.99, so your total is going to be $15.98. There is a 3-off-1 in perk. Make sure that is loaded. Out of pocket, pay $12.98. At that point, you're going to receive 2 different Catalinas, a $5 Catalina for spending $15 on this product, also a $4.50 Catalina for the body wash, like I showed you. Then you're going to submit to coupons.com app for 3 back on 1, so the one that the coupon did not come off of. On top of it, you're going to submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back on 1. It's limited 3 times, so you're going to get $5 back from Ibotta. So the total there with Catalinas and rebate apps is $17.50. Your final cost is completely free and a $4.52 moneymaker. This is amazing. All right, here's another little bonus deal. The Secret Dry Spray here is regularly priced $6.79. It's on sale for $3.79, and we have a 3-off-1 digital coupon, making this just 79 cents. I do have it in my must-do deals video, but if you missed that, you definitely want to grab this. It's a really, really great deal. Okay, so this worked out perfectly, had no problem. Both Catalinas printed, as you can see, $4.50 for the body wash, and then also the $5 for specifically the Love Beauty and Planet body wash. So that's $9.50 back in Catalinas, which is craziness. So let's look at the receipt real quick here. So as you can see, we got the body wash for $7.99. The $3 in perk did come off, and another one for $7.99. And then it did trigger both of those Catalinas, and now we have the Secret deodorant. It was $6.79 on sale for $3.79. The $3 off in perk did come off. So with all that said and done, I did pay a total of $14.96 after sales tax. So if you deduct the sales tax, it's a little less than that. Yeah, so now I'm going to have to submit my receipts to coupons.com and to Ibotta.
something?
Do you want something free?
Do you want something free?
So we can start it.
Do you want something free?
One more time.
Do you want something free?
One more time.
Do you want something free?